Finding the best intake manifold for LS1 can feel overwhelming. But what if you could unlock insane power, boost throttle response, and transform your engine's performance instantly? Today, I'm revealing the top manifolds that dominate the roads, crush competitors, and deliver unbelievable results you must see. If you want any of these, links in the description. So let's start. Number 5. TEMSONE brings you the ultimate 102mm LS intake manifold. Crafted from premium T6061 aluminum, it delivers unmatched durability and sleek silver finish. Designed with a matte port for precise engine tuning, it ensures top performance every time. Perfectly fits LS1, LS2, LS6, Corvette, GTO, and more models. Installation is quick, with all hardware included for hassle-free setup. Fuel rails, throttle body, TPS, and IAC come ready for immediate use. Drive confidently with TEMSONE's 1-year guarantee, backed by rigorous quality control. This intake manifold boosts airflow, engine response, and overall horsepower instantly. Don't miss out on upgrading your ride with style, power, and precision lightning fast. Number 4. JEGS Fabricated Intake Manifold delivers stunning power gains, offering bold performance for LS1, LS2, and LS6 engines. This black aluminum beast boosts airflow instantly, accepting massive 92mm or 102mm throttle bodies. It includes a full fuel rail kit, seals, and hardware, giving you premium value in one sleek package. The LS3 style map port adds modern flexibility, while the vacuum fittings ensure smooth tuning. Its 2200 to 6800 RPM range unleashes thrilling street power, making every acceleration feel sharper and cleaner. This fabricated design improves strength and heat control, giving your engine reliable performance under pressure. If you want eye-catching looks and real horsepower gains, this manifold stands out as a must-upgrade choice. Number 3. Fast LSXr 102mm intake manifold delivers explosive performance upgrades. This beast features longer runners that boost horsepower effortlessly while maintaining impressive low RPM torque. The sleek black finish looks absolutely stunning under any LS hood. Its modular runner design allows quick disassembly, porting, and customization. Advanced polymer construction keeps the intake lighter, cooler, and ultra efficient. The larger 102mm inlet pushes massive airflow, creating thrilling throttle response. It's CARB approved, reliable, and perfectly vehicle-specific for LS1, LS2, and LS6 engines. If you want jaw-dropping power, insane airflow, and a modern performance look, this intake is a game-changing upgrade you'll love. Number 2. H-Tracing delivers raw performance with this LS, LS1, LS2, LS6 intake manifold. Built to unleash serious power, this manifold fits Chevy 4.8, 5.3, 6.0, and 6.2 engines, offering wider compatibility. Its T6061 aluminum body feels insanely strong, holding up to 30 pounds. The included 92mm throttle body boosts airflow dramatically. TIG welded construction ensures unbeatable durability. Fuel rails and hardware come neatly packaged. This setup enhances throttle response instantly. Perfect for Corvette, Trailblazer SS, GTO, and more. Serious builders will love its cathedral port precision. Installation needs professionals for the best results. If you want shocking performance gains, this upgrade delivers. Number 1. Htostar Racing brings an absolute powerhouse with this LS intake manifold designed for insane airflow and shocking throttle response. This 102mm aluminum beast fits LS1, LS2, and LS6 cathedral port heads. delivering bold performance upgrades instantly. The T6061 build feels strong, precise, and unbelievably smooth. The drive-by cable throttle body arrives pre-installed with IAC and TPS, ensuring crisp acceleration. Its 1218 CFM flow rate boosts power fast and safely. Multiple vacuum ports add tuning freedom for serious setups. Compatibility covers popular Chevy, Cadillac, and Pontiac models effortlessly. If you want sharper response, cleaner airflow, and pure muscle car energy, this manifold hits hard. A truly impressive upgrade for any LS lover. Conclusion: choosing the best intake manifold for LS1 can instantly boost power, throttle response, and overall engine performance. Make sure to pick the one that fits your build goals and driving style. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more helpful automotive guides.